Welcome to Sailing Windsome. Come learn with us. This is Windsome's interior. Over the winter, while on the hard, we noticed the hull of our boat bulging in spots, and even some sinking into the hull. It's time to investigate. Out with the floor. We especially noticed our floor sinking in here, where the mast step is. This is a time lapse of us removing the floor, the bathroom walls, the actual toilet, and anything around the mast step, just to see what's underneath. We also have a leak sitting at our engine somewhere, so we need to see what's under there. I have no idea how we were even still floating last year. This is horrible. The stringers are waterlogged and unsalvageable. They have to come out of the boat. There's no way they can hold this fiberglass together. We hit one thing and we'd be toast. The water from the sink drain and the cooling water from the motors just sitting here underneath the companionway, hanging out, molding. Our floor is literally rotting away under here. Thank goodness we did this. Alright, so here's the dry fit of our new stringers that are going to hold our boat together properly. Pretty excited, wouldn't you be? When it came to epoxy and resin, we used West System Supply. It was really easy, instructions were pretty clear, it's very reliable. Always had people around to help you if they had any questions, and we found tons of YouTube videos on it. Alright, fiberglassing these stringers into place finally after a 6-hour cure. It's very hot, it's a very hard job. We didn't video a lot of it. We were inside a very hot boat. I did a lot of it with my small little hands getting into this little tiny crevice here. Not complaining, it wasn't overly hard. Just a pain in the butt putting all that crap on and then breathing through the respirator and then trying to see out the glasses to see what you're doing. Tons of fun. Floors in the and boats in the water. Check out our next video all about our lift-in and how everything went. It's literally the scariest 45 seconds of any boater's life.